What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 5 fun ways to make extra money online in 2019. That's right, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so 5 fun ways, that's exactly what I'm gonna share with you here today, but first, make sure you stay till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any important information, and keep also in mind that you probably won't get rich with these kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you want to check out the link that is on the comment section below here. It's going to be the first link, but we save that for the end of this video because this is a perfect opportunity to get started with, to make a few extra bucks while we build our passive income online there. With that being said, let's get started to have some fun and make some extra money. Okay, the first thing that we can do is actually listening to radio. How simple and cool is that? By listening to radio, we can make some extra bucks there. And the site I'm referring to get started with is actually radioearn.com. So if you go to radioearn.com, this is how it looks when you arrive. And we can clearly see here, earn alone or with your website with listening radio. So there is actually 2 ways. One is that you of course will sign up. It is totally free to do that. After registration you can log in and see your account and you can start earning by listening to radio. The second option is if you have a website, you can actually install it, have it on your website there, and when people arrive to your website and they're listening to radio, you make money on that too. Okay? And of course you will earn, and then later on they will pay out. So every 15 minutes you get points, and these points will be converted at the following month to US dollars, and they pay out via PayPal, which is also very nice. So you can see here high compatibility, best placed ads, style your radio, detailed statistics and API, simple system, earn and pay out. Here are some Q&A which you can have a look at actually by yourself here. We pay by net 30 via PayPal, also nice. So totally free to sign up for, as I said, and a big plus of course if you have your own website that you want to have this installed. So that is about radioearn.com. Something that is very similar is actually also Research FM, research.fm. And you can see here, if we arrive to Research FM, there's no crystal balls for radio stations, so they need your input on what music, morning shows and DJs you actually want to hear. Your opinions are so important that they are willing to pay you for them. How it works, we send you an invitation to take a survey, you listen to and rate short music samples on our secure server. And then of course you claim your reward in the form of an Amazon gift card. Okay, so that is how Research FM works. Really simple. They want feedback, they want you to listen to songs, or if you liked that show and so on, and then you get paid for that. So research.fm. How about go out for a walk outside, or running, or some kind of outdoor activity and make money for doing that? That's exactly what you can do with Sweatcoin. It's an application available for both App Store and Google Play. Or if you want to go to the site, you can go to sweatco.in. Okay, so you can see this is how it looks when you arrive to the site. But if you want to have a look at it on Google Play, let's have a look at it here. Sweatcoin is a new breed of step counter and activity tracker apps that pay you digital currency Sweatcoins for your steps to spend on gadgets, sport kits, fitness trainings, health nutrition and much more. Basically pays you to move and exercise, and it costs nothing to use. So the more you start to walk, the more you earn. Pretty simple and straightforward, okay? Now, how about making money while you watch trailers of hot apps? Well, that is possible too on apptrailers.com. I'm sorry, apptrailers.com. And also available for App Store and Google Play, of course. So you can see if I scroll down here for the site, watch trailers of hot apps, you collect reward points, watch trailers, earn your points. You can also earn points by uploading videos and getting likes, and then you redeem your points for gift cards. Use those points for gift cards. Amazon, Sephora, Foot Locker and iTunes gift cards are ready to be redeemed. So we can actually have a quick look at it here also on the Google Play. Preview video trailers of app, celebrity gossip, DIY, do-it-yourself videos and get points that you can redeem with PayPal, Cash, Amazon gift codes and many more with app trailers. All you have to do is just go to, depends on of course if you are on iPhone you will go to the iOS, or on Android you go to Google Play, type app trailers, download it and start to watch trailers and make some money there. Another cool way, which is a combination actually of on and offline, is you can make money with WAG walking. It's an application also. You can become a walker, so you can see a 30-minute walk for your dog to have a potty break, and you can see it starts to as low as $20 per walk. Now combination could actually be to take the Sweatcoin with you, so you can make money for just walking, and of course the more you walk with a dog the more you will earn. Another site pretty similar also is rover.com. Rover.com, and you get of course opportunities for dog boarding, house sitting, drop-in visits, doggy daycare and dog walking. So by just having a quick look, let's take an example here, Texas. Let's say we want a small and we are searching for dog boarding. You can see here that is people that is available, and it starts $25-$30 and so on. So that is a really cool and fun way, I would say. And I said take Sweatcoin with you so you get paid from two sources together. Now, how about some quiz? Okay, we're talking about Cash Quiz. You can go to either cashquiz.com, and it is a free quiz app to earn real rewards. You play trivia, collect points and redeem them for gift cards, donations and more. Also available on the App Store and Google Play. So if you have a look at it here on Google Play, you can see it says play trivia and earn loyalty reward points. Quiz Rewards is a free quiz game you can play on Android. Loyal players who play long enough earn loyalty points to redeem for real rewards such as gift cards from Amazon, Google Play and more. Quiz Rewards is an easy-to-play trivia app where you can participate every day and win. If you're smart enough, of course. Alright, so that is about Quiz Rewards. Now, another thing is appkarma.com. What you do with App Karma is you earn rewards playing with apps. And that is also something that is fun, of course. Totally free, of course, to get started with. You can see here, complete offers to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards. Available for iOS and Android users. By just installing, you get 300 points, so that is super nice also. And there is also referral rewards. So if you share your friends, you get of course 30% of what your referral earns. How nice is that? Okay, and of course definitely it is fun as well. So let's have a look at it here on Google Play. App Karma rewards and gift cards. Karma Play lets you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you installed. Install app, keep the app and play with the app each day to earn daily rewards. Double bonus available too, and it is explained here on video, which is just released here. App Karma for iOS. So if you are on iOS, you go to the Safari browser, or of course on your iPhone there. If you have a YouTube channel, you can become an VIP, sorry. You can become a VIP here also. Anyway, you can check out the details for yourself here. So that is about 5 or probably even more fun ways on how to make extra money online in 2019. Now keep in mind, as I said, you probably won't get rich with this kind of opportunities, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out the link that is in the comment section below here. It's going to be the first link, so it's super easy. Go ahead and check that out. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet, you'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure to subscribe to both, because both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more. I upload those on a consistent basis, so hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video, and you also find another video recommendation. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead now, go have fun and make some extra money.